Hi all, good morning everybody. Welcome to English online class. Today in this video I am going to discuss or I am trying to teach you the very basic, or we can say almost the beginning of English grammar. The topic I will tell you, this video is about English subject in ICSE syllabus for grade 9 and 10. Today our topic is sentence structure, sentence types. So when I am going to talk about this, you may have, or some of you may have some doubt that I would like to clarify it at the beginning. Types of sentence I have taught you already in another video. In that we have learned 4 types of sentences, which are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence. Like that we have learned in another video. Again, sentence types meaning what? So just for your understanding, I would like to explain it in few words, in 1 or 2 sentences I would like. So in this video I am going to discuss the types of sentence based on this structure. Structure means how the sentence has been arranged. That means first subject, verb, object, then conjunction or coordinating conjunction, then like that again another verb. According to the structure of the sentence we can classify the sentences. Earlier one, the classification that I told you, declarative and imperative, interrogative, that was based on the function of the sentence. That means what is the function of that sentence doing in communication accordingly. If it function as a question, it is an interrogative sentence. So that was based on the function of a sentence in communication. Here grammatically on the base of structure we are going to discuss. It's very simple. In a light manner I would like to explain this topic. You can keep on watching this video and take your notebook or rough book. Better to take your English notebook itself. Keep on writing, marking, and whatever I am showing over the screen you can also note down. You can make more examples, you can study it. So at the time of examination you want to just look at your learning notes only. So prepare your own learning notes also. So we are moving on to the topic, sentence structure, sentence types. Sentence types are simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. These are the 4 types of sentence. Once again, please repeat in your mind the types of sentence. One is simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. I hope you understood the name of the sentence. Types of sentence, sentence types. These are based on the structure. We have 4. Clear? I am moving on one by one. I am going to discuss with examples. Very few examples. This video may finish very soon. Okay, we can look. The first one, basic elements of every sentence. Before going to start simple sentence, the basic element of every sentence is what? Can you say? A sentence means that. What is the basic element of the sentence? Grammatical elements of a sentence. Basic. A sentence should have two things, that is subject. Okay, it should have a subject, a grammatical subject it should have. Then predicate. So a sentence we can divide into two parts, subject part and predicate part. You got it? A sentence has the basic element of a sentence is subject and predicate. Two part a sentence will have. One is subject part, the other one is predicate part, grammatically. I hope you understood. I will tell you with the example, basic elements. Subject and predicate we said. Look, this is the subject. This is the subject. You can call any name her. You call any name. Fatima, you can call her. Then Fatima is the subject. The next. Okay. What does she do? You know that. Plays tennis. Then you can say this is what? This is predicate. Clear? Now you can make a sentence. I have given the picture, any sentence. So I made a sentence like this. Mary plays tennis. This is the basic element of a sentence. Mary is the subject, plays tennis is the predicate. So Mary plays tennis is the basic sentence or the basic element of the sentence, two part. This is. I hope you understood. Clear, right? We want to make it very clear without any confusion. Is it okay? We can say simple sentence now. The first category of types of sentence based on the structure, that is simple sentence. So in simple sentence means a simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. Is it okay? You know now what is predicate and what is subject. So simple sentence means nothing but a sentence which having only one subject and one predicate. It is called simple sentence. A sentence with one predicate, one subject. Simple sentence, observe, is an example. We went to St. John yesterday. St. John is the name of a club. We went to St. John yesterday. In this sentence, you can observe what is the subject, what is the verb, and all you can. This is an example for a simple sentence. Okay, it will have one subject and one predicate. So we can analyze the sentence. Simple sentence. This is we went to St. John is the simple sentence. So yesterday it was there. Okay, leave that. We went to St. John is a simple sentence example. What is in this simple sentence? What are the things contained in this? In blue color, green color, and in red color, I will tell you. This is what the simple subject, no doubt. So okay, no doubt for you. That is simple subject. We is the subject. You know it. The next one. This is what the complete predicate part. Other than the subject, along with the verb, all the words coming with that, it is all together called. It is called complete predicate. Clear? Then we know it. We is a pronoun. We have learned the parts of speech, and when is the verb, and to St. John is prepositional phrase. So to is the preposition. So along with the to, what is coming is called prepositional phrase. We will call like that. Is okay? Clear? This is the example for simple sentence. What we said? A simple sentence will have one subject and one predicate. This is correct, right? In this example is okay. Now I am moving On to the next example, that is simple sentence, subject and predicate. Mary plays tennis. This is the example we took first. Mary plays tennis is the predicate. So in this, one subject, one predicate. This is an example for simple sentence. This is what called simple sentence. One of the types of sentence based on the structure. It is simple sentence. Example for simple sentence is Mary plays tennis. A simple sentence will have one subject, that is Mary, one predicate, that is plays tennis. Okay, simple sentence. Now you look at this. Again, I'm going to the next level in simple sentence. This is, we know the one person is Mary. We have named it earlier, Mary. There is another guy also. You can call any Muhammed. You can call Anas. You can call Safwan. Any name you can give. Already we have given a name Mary to the, and and we know this plays tennis. Tom and Mary play tennis. I made another sentence. Did you understand? I made not the same sentence, another sentence, but I have added one more thing, one more person. That means one more person in subject, one more individual I added in subject. Earlier it was Mary plays tennis. Now Tom and Mary play tennis. When it is plural, play only we use. Tom and Mary play tennis. You got it. This is also an example for simple sentence. It is what called compound subject. What we can call in simple sentence only, it is the subject we will call it is compound subject. It's compound, two person is coming. That means more than one person is coming. That is why we call it is compound. Compound subject it is. We can call compound subject. And simple sentence. Look at this. Again, I'm moving on to the next level, third level. I hope you are with me. Correct? You are looking at me. You are watching the screen. Correct? You are following me. Don't miss any word and don't give attention at any word. Don't look at the beauty of the picture. Don't look at this any imagination. So I'm keep on trying to, in a simple way, I'm trying to convey a big grammatical points in English. So look at this. In this two person, we know one is Tom, other one is Mary. Playing tennis. This much we have learned. Now I have added one more thing. What is this? And that is the first one playing tennis, the other one is swimming. I hope you can guess it. That is swimming. So what will be the sentence now? Now it is two action is the two persons, two subjects are there, two persons are there, and in action also two actions are there. So the sentence will be Tom and Mary play tennis and swim. They are doing two actions. There are two persons. So now what it became, you can guess. Nothing. Compound subject, compound predicate. Predicate also became compound, subject also became compound. Is it making you any confusion? I'm trying to make it very simple. Okay, if you have any confusion, stop the video. WhatsApp to me. If you have, I will clear it right now. Now is that we can make it clear. If you have any doubts or if you want to know more something about, so as in the video, within the limited time I can convey only very that means very concentrated form of information. So keep on watching this. Now simple sentence with compound subject, that is Tom and Mary play tennis. The same what we said, Tom and Mary play tennis is an example for simple sentence with compound subject. Then another one what we learned, simple sentence only with the compound subject and compound predicate. Example is Tom and Mary play tennis and sing. Okay, Tom and Mary play tennis and sing. This is an example for simple sentence only, that is with compound subject with compound predicate. Okay, simple sentence 3 types now we learned. One is Mary plays tennis, another one is Tom and Mary play tennis, another one is Tom and Mary play tennis and swim. I hope you got, you can note it down. Now we are moving on to compound sentence. Shall I? Compound sentence is also very simple to understand. In the same way only, I will tell you what is compound sentence. A compound sentence has more than one part that can stand alone. Independent clause it is called in grammar. In grammar we call independent clause. Independent clauses are connected by coordinating conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs, or a semicolon. So what I said, let me take what I said. Compound sentence means compound sentence has more than one part. Keep in mind, it will have more than one part that can stand alone. That means both the clause, independent clause. It is in compound sentence, it is independent clause only. In this, independent clauses are connected. Two clauses. That means clauses means two sentences, we can say. Two part of the sentences. Two sentences that can be connected by coordinating conjunction. Coordinate, just coordinating conjunction. I will tell you, explain what are the coordinating conjunctions. Or conjunctive adverbs, that also I will tell you. Or a semicolon. Using semicolon or conjunctive adverb or coordinating conjunctions, we can connect two sentences and make compound sentence. Don't worry, with example I will make it very simple. I will simplify it. Look, compound sentence. Example is this: we went to St. John and most of us danced all night. You got the example. The first example is an example for simple first sentence or before the comma. It is the example for simple sentence. We went to St. John. Sentence has not completed again. And most of us danced all night. Again we added as a second clause. Okay, we can discuss in detail in this. We went to St. John. This is the first clause of that sentence. We went to St. John, comma, because the sentence has not completed. Okay, and most of us danced all night is the second part of the sentence. You got it. These are the two clauses that has been connected with a coordinate. I will tell you what is this. There are two subjects. One is we is the subject. Most of us also is the subject. Most of us also subject. We also subject. Then danced all night also. Went to St. John also predicate. So simple sentence we will have only one subject and one predicate. In compound sentence we have two subject and two predicate. You got it? We have two subject and two predicates in compound sentence. So that means two sentences it is. As well as besides that we have. So I will tell you each one by one. Went is the verb, we know. Here danced also verb. Then to St. John we know that it is a prepositional phrase. Then all night it is a modifying phrase. So no need to learn. This the passive speech of it is a modifying phrase. And we have a coordinating conjunction and. You got it. So two sentences have been connected by a coordinating conjunction and made a sentence. It is called compound sentence. Compound sentence will have two parts. One first clause and second clause, or it will have two subject and two predicate part. Compound sentence. I hope you understood. We can look at another example also. Compound sentence, use of coordinating conjunction. We said coordinating conjunction. Example, it is subject and predicate. In compound sentences, there will be how many? Two subject and two predicate. I will tell you. Subject and predicate, subject and predicate. This is the structure of the compound sentence. Subject, predicate. Again, subject and predicate. In between a coordinating conjunction, and we will give. You got it? That means two simple sentences that has been connected or joined with a coordinating conjunction. One of the ways is coordinating conjunction. And is in coordinating conjunction. I will tell you the list. Okay. You can look at this. The same way. Example. There is a one guy. Look. You can make a sentence. Is it Tom? You can call. If it is Tom, then Tom, what does he do? He swims. Okay. Next one we know it is Mary plays tennis. You can. That means Tom swims, comma, Mary plays tennis. We got two sentences. Now what we want? We want to use a compound or a coordinating conjunction also we need. And Tom swims and Mary plays tennis. Now the sentence became what? Compound sentence. See, this is a one sentence, okay? Tom swims and Mary plays tennis is a one sentence, okay? Not two sentences. When we make a compound sentence, we can't say that two sentences. It is one sentence only, single sentence only with two clauses. We will say it is two clauses in a sentence. If there are two clauses or two sentences, not in grammatical way, we will call it as a clause, okay? It is one sentence only. Tom swims and Mary plays tennis. So we shall move next. Coordinating conjunctions. I will tell you are for, and, nor, but, or, yet. These are the coordinating conjunctions. You got it? These are there are many, at least this, not down. These are the coordinating. We can coordinate two clauses and make compound sentences using any of these coordinating conjunctions. So also is there. Now, Tom swims and Mary plays tennis is an example for compound sentence using coordinating conjunctions. That is, clause 1 is Tom swims and clause 2 is Mary plays tennis. Both the clauses are independent. What is independent? That means that will stay alone. If you make a full stop after Tom swims, full stop, suppose sentence is complete, okay, fine, it means that clause will stand alone. If without the second clause also the first clause can stand alone, so such sentence, such clause is called independent clause. Got it? Such clause is called independent. Second clause also the same way, Mary plays tennis, that clause also can stand alone, so it is called that also independent. It is not depending on any other sentence or any other word, so it is called independent clause, clause 2. Then the next one, look at Tom swims and Mary plays tennis. In this, comma, look, comma before and is and in compound sentence, not that. There will be a comma before and is a point, okay. Now compound sentence conjunctive adverb. We said that we can make compound sentence using a coordinating conjunction or conjunctive adverb, we said. So what is conjunctive adverbs? What are they? Conjunctive adverbs, I will tell you one by one. Conjunctive adverbs are moreover, however, otherwise, therefore. These are the conjunctive adverbs. So these are the common conjunctive adverbs. Okay, for you it's enough. These are the common. We can connect two clauses using this word, this conjunctive adverb. Okay, example: Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. Look, Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. So two clauses. Bob is handsome, one, it is independent. He is rich, that also independent. That two clauses has been connected with, that two clauses have been connected with a conjunctive adverb, moreover. There is one more point also. I have you noted in blue color. Keep in mind, I will tell you that also. Clause 1 is independent, I told you. Clause 2 also independent. Another one: Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. This is our sentence. In this, now semicolon before conjunctive adverb and comma after conjunctive adverb. Did you notice that? Did you notice? Look at the red, in red color. There is, when you are using conjunctive adverb, there will be a semicolon before conjunctive adverb and there will be a comma after the conjunctive adverb. Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. So this is necessary. The punctuation mark is very important also. In conjunctive adverb you can recognize with this also. Conjunctive adverbs also float. So what does it say? Conjunctive adverbs are sometimes called floating adverbs because they can be positioned at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a clause. What I said? Conjunctive adverb not only coming at the middle of the two clauses, it will be coming at the beginning of the sentence, end of the sentence, middle of the sentence also it is possible to come. You got it? So that the conjunctive adverb also called floating adverb. Now, Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. This is our example. In this, again we can make another way. Bob is handsome, he is moreover rich. Bob is handsome, he is rich, moreover. It can come in either, any way that is possible to come. So now we can look at the semicolon. If the relation between the ideas expressed in the main clause is very close and obvious, very clear, without a conjunction, you can separate the clauses with a semicolon. Example, what I said, if the relation between the ideas expressed in the main clause, that means the two clauses, clause 1, clause 2, both are independent, and without the conjunction, coordinating conjunction or conjunctive adverb, without that, only with the semicolon also the idea can be connected. If the ideas are very clear, very obvious, only the semicolon only required or a comma only required. Example, look at here. This is an example. Here there is no conjunction, there is no coordinating word. Look at little, comma, brown handbook, comma, 9th edition, P361. So it's clear. Only comma is given, and or moreover or no such kind of words. Only the comma has been given because the idea is very clear. We can understand. That's why. Now compound sentence semicolon. Tom has benefited from his exercise program semicolon. He is slim and energetic. We used only semicolon. We did not use and, or we did not use any of the words, any of the conjunctive adverb also we have not used. Moreover, like that also, such words also we have not used. Only the semicolon we have used in the sentence is an example for the usage of semicolon as an conjunctive adverb. Now we are moving on to complex sentence. This is the third one, complex sentence. In complex sentence, a complex sentence has at least two parts. One that can stand alone and another one that cannot. You got it? This is the first point. It also will have two clauses. One can stand alone. The another one cannot stand alone. Now you got the difference between compound and complex. The part that cannot stand alone is linked to the first of this sentence by a subordinating conjunction. Yes, two parts you will have. One part will stand alone, the another part will not stand alone. So the part which can stand alone and the part which cannot stand alone, that both of them can be connected by a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction list I will tell you. Okay, what are the subordinating conjunction? Complex sentence example. Since my boyfriend and I wanted to have fun, we went to San John yesterday. This is an example for complex sentence. Since my boyfriend and I wanted to have fun, we went to San John yesterday. What was our condition? There will be two clauses. One clause will stand alone, the another clause will not stand alone, and both of them can be connected with a subordinating conjunction. So what are they? We can look at that. Since we wanted to have fun is the one. The next clause is we went to San John yesterday is the another. These are the two clauses. So we can analyze it, study these two sentences or two clauses we can study. That is, we is the subject, no doubt. And went to San John yesterday is the predicate part. And this is the one that cannot stand alone. Since we wanted to have fun, because the sentence is incomplete, it cannot stand alone. We can't write only this part of the sentence. It will be incomplete. But the other one, the second one part, we went to San John yesterday is grammatically the sentence is completed. It is correct sentence. But since we wanted to have fun, we can't stop there because sentence is incomplete. It can't stand alone. It cannot stand alone. So the subordinating conjunction is what? Since is the subordinating conjunction. The word since. The word since is the subordinating conjunction. I will tell you the list. Okay. Complex sentence again. Subject will be there. Predicate will be there. Subject will be there. Predicate will be there. That means two clauses. And both of them will be connected with a subordinate conjunction. Okay, a subordinate conjunction will be there. Example, even though is an example. So one example I will tell you. Bob is popular even though he is ugly. Got it? Subject, predicate. In between one subordinating conjunction. It is called even though. Bob is popular even though he is ugly. So this is one sentence only. Example for one complex sentence. Complex sentence, the element is what? The identification mark. It will have two clauses. One can stand alone, the other one cannot stand alone. Complex sentences, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are the most common subordinating conjunctions only I am listing here. Look here, we are going fast. After, although, as, because, before, how, if, one, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, and while. These are the most common subordinating conjunctions. You can note down. Using this we can make complex sentence. Now, complex sentence, subordinating conjunctions using Bob is popular even though he is ugly. We said the first clause is independent. Bob is popular, that clause is independent. Even though he is ugly, that is close to, that is dependent clause. We can call it is dependent, that will depend. The other one is independent. Then other one, even though Bob is ugly, he is popular. We can make in this way also. So the first clause will be dependent, the other one will be independent. You got? Did you note the change in the sentence? Even though Bob is ugly, he is popular. So the first part became dependent, the second part became independent. So don't think that always will be like this. The first clause will be independent, second clause will be dependent. No. It will come like this also. First clause is dependent, second clause is independent. So depends upon the meaning, how the subordinating conjunction is coming. Now, compound complex sentence, the last one. You can guess. Compound also, complex also, both mixture it will be coming. So it's very simple only. This type of sentence has more than one part that can stand alone and at least one that cannot. That means many parts will have the sentence. The sentence will have many parts, and in that, in this type of sentence, as more than one part it will have. Out of that, many clauses will have. Many part means that many clauses will have. Out of that, any one of the clauses cannot stand alone. All others will stand alone. This is what called compound complex sentence. Conjunctions link the different parts of the sentences. Using different conjunctions, all the clauses can be linked with using conjunctions. With example I will make. Since we wanted to have fun, sentence continuing, not full stop, okay? Sentence continuing. My boyfriend and I went to St. John yesterday and we danced all night. How many parts? Now 3 parts are there. 3 clauses are there. Okay, so out of this, one of the clause will not stand alone. The first clause, look at, since we wanted to have fun, that will not stand alone. The other 2 part of the clauses that will stand alone, that are independent. One clause is dependent. So this sentence is called compound complex sentence. Not this entire is one sentence only, okay? Since we wanted to have fun, my boyfriend and I went to St. John yesterday and we danced all night is a one sentence only. Now, compound complex sentence. Since we wanted to have fun, we are looking at my boyfriend and I went to St. John is another clause, and we danced all night is another clause. There are 3 clauses in these sentences. This one is my boyfriend and I is the subject in the sentences, and predicate is went to St. John also, we danced all night also is called the predicate part of the sentence. Now there are subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction, since is subordinating conjunction and is coordinating conjunction. So we are using compound sentence using coordinating conjunction. We are making complex sentence using subordinating conjunction. So since is a subordinating conjunction and is a coordinating conjunction, we have learned. These are the elements in this. I told you the first one is the part that cannot stand alone. Compound complex sentence, another example. Will be like this. One of the example. Again, more way it is possible. Mike is popular. He is good looking. He is not very happy. Now what we are going to do that? We added one subordinating conjunction, another coordinating conjunction. So how it became the sentence? Mike is popular because he is good looking, but he is not very happy. So in this, the middle sentence, middle clause, because he is good looking, is independent. It cannot stand alone. The other two, the first one and the last one, that both the clause can stand alone. Compound complex sentence example we are learning. Now exercises. Now please, you can pause the video and note the sentences what I am giving here, and you just send in WhatsApp. Okay, you send in WhatsApp. Say if the following sentences are simple or compound or complex or compound complex. Okay, you identify the sentence. What type of sentence is this? Based on the structure, it is whether it is simple sentence or compound sentence or complex sentence, or you may identify. You can pause the video. Okay, I am just showing only. I am not reading also. You can look at this. There are 10 examples I am giving. You can read it. I am not. The time again it will take. Second one, third one, fourth, fifth. Now you may pause the video and you note it down the sentence, and the answers only you send to me. Answers, putting the number 1, 2, 3. First number simple, second one compound, the third one complex, and fourth one compound complex. Like that you write and send to me in WhatsApp right now. Okay. The next, sixth one, sentence, 7th, 8th, 9th, and the last one is this. I hope you have understood today's video. I hope you have learned English grammar, types of sentences. I am happy if you have learned, and you please do watch again if you have any doubt, and continue to, if you have any clarification you can contact me also, you know it, but again just I am reminding you. Just till then, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please send your responses to me personally through WhatsApp, or you can call me. Okay, thank you. Till then, see you again.